Yes. Oh god. Hello. Welcome to another video. Today's video, it's here. It's here. The layout is home. After over a year's worth of work, it's finally here. It took over a year, but I've done it. It's finally at home and baseboard fitted. You can tell. Let me just move the camera down a bit. The controller has been mounted, and my battery is flashing at me. My battery is flashing at me. So I better get as much done as this, and I'm gonna have to do this in two parts, and I might have to do this in two parts. The first part is saying about the layout has been at home. Let me just adjust myself. It's not big enough, actually. Excuse me when I'm doing that. I'm sorry about this. I'm just adjusting the legs on the camera. Just adjusting the legs. There we go. Adjusting the legs. There we are. Buildings are done. Buildings are done. There, and there. It's all home. What I've done, you can see the wood. You can see the wood here. That's MDF. All the track is all Pico. If you can see just over that power track over there, if you can see him, I know it's a bit dark, but you can see him. He's going to do some work for me. My first class shunter, let me just interrupt the twirl. Excuse my PS4 controller in the way. Darn it. Anyway, excuse me about that. I should have it's been a lot. It's the first time I've actually had to stand up on my videos. Oh dear, yes. If you wonder what the noise is, that's the PlayStation 4. I'm in the middle of watching Viva La Bam Season 5. Right. Hope you can see the shunter moving into position. Oh. Technical problem already. No, I should really go the other way. Hope you can see the shunter, alright? Yeah, I hope you can see the shunter. It stopped up on the cardboard level crossing I made. Right, if you can see that. If you can see the shunter, I know my light quality is not that good, but I can probably edit it during editing. I can edit at the editing stage. Well, there's the goods yard as well. Anyway, I might as well just use up the battery. Anyway, so I'm going to be shunting that into that siding over there. You'll probably see it live action. Let me just get a bigger position and I can control the loco. Let's have some bit of a layout action. Wrong way. Helps if I go the right way. You see the coaches. These are ground Farish weakening train carriages. They're Mark 1s. There we go. I was planning on putting magnetic couplers in. Can't even say because I'm going to try and put the loco back on the track. There we go. Right. Sorry about that. There's my goods yard. If you can see it from here. Well, anyway, yes. The shunter now is going to go and park. I think he's parked where he is there. There we go. There's all the locos, and now I'm going to take the camera off the tripod. Ouch, and now I'm going to give you the layout tour. Of course, this is the goods yard part of the layout. Goods part. Of course, it's a big obvious because it's a Stobart depot with my two Scania and Volvo. This is one of my bus stop locations. Two technically, because you've got a bus stop just there. And then the best part is you've got the train station and the interchange area. Of course, you've got a lovely shot of the 170 just 170 just over there. I know I can't see the screen, but I'll look it at in the editing stage. And of course, you have the Flying Scotsman over there. My big platform too. That still needs a bit of work, but I'll do some work. And here's the bus depot. Oh yeah, so here's some of the signs I made. Some of the signs I made for the level crossing. There you go. So, what do you lot think of the layout? If I did another layout, what would I do better? Please let me know down below in the comments. Anyway, I can't have a full running session yet, but I can have a running session with the 170. I can have the one. Anyway, yes, yes. Anyway, yes. Here's a beautiful tour of the layout. Oh, one more shot is at the train station part of the layout. We've just seen the shunter do some work. Let's bring out the Flying Scotsman. Let's see if he comes out. Or wait. Let's bring out the Scotsman. Someone told me in the comment last time to go very slow with the Scotsman. And there he is. I may have to use a bit of light from my phone so you can see the Scotsman. I know my light's not that good. Get out of my sight. So the camera is going to be my light. My phone is going to be the light. There's the Scotsman. Beautiful, isn't she? She's a beautiful. Look at her. There's the Scotsman. Beautiful she is, isn't she? Anyway, my light quality is not that good, so here's the Scotsman. Let's give her a little bit of a run around the trailer. Go slow. Let's go a little bit slow for the Scotsman. And the back again. I know everybody loves the Flying Scotsman. Hand of God coming in. Hand of God coming in. Here's a side view of the Scotsman. I know it's dark, but my phone can come and save the day. My phone can save the day. There we go. My phone can save the day. Yes. Anyway, yes. Let me just go and pop the Scotsman back in. Let me just go and pop the lovely handsome Scotsman back into place. Well, anyway, yes. Yes, if you like the layout, or do I? Oh yes, all the shops are all real, as you can tell. And I have a Stagecoach travel shop. Yeah, all the buildings on here are all real. The loco is awesome. My layout is fully operational. Maybe in the future, I'm planning on putting a point motor just here, so I can control hopefully try and drill a very thin hole, so I can try. This might have enough room for a point motor. Just hopefully should have enough room for a point motor. I can put one here, but I'm going to have to put wires here and drill all the way through a little hole somewhere. Haven't thought that through yet. I might put some lights in. I don't know yet. But anyway, yes. Sorry about the dark quality because my light is terrible. My light is terrible. Well, anyway, before I go, I have been replying to some of your comments. I've been replying to comments and giving me suggestions. If on this shelf here, if anyone wants me to do a request of the model buses, it could be the customized ones, could be the big one in that box there, or even it could be just an N-gauge bus I can do, or even a Stobart lorry. If you want me to do any recap reviews now, I have the track and I can do a recap review of any loco. Just please put me a suggestion in the comments below. I'll get back to work and I'll try and get this video uploaded as soon as I can. I'll see you in the next video.